So guys, if any of you people do want to get involved in what I do, make sure to go DM my Instagram, which is aarontrades.fx, will be right there as well, and link in the description. Why not make money from your phone right now? So yeah guys, welcome to the first video on the channel. So what it is I do, I trade foreign exchange. So I trade on a platform called MetaTrader 4, which I send out all the signals for you guys to make profit, which I've made in the first day I've traded on the first account, I've made £20 in one day. And that's just a start. You can make hundreds, even thousands of pounds. So why not just start? My Instagram will be linked down below, so send me a message on how you can set up. So yeah, let's get into day one. So today, for example, I have made £20, as you can see right there, and that's just one day profit. So if any of you guys do want to join, hit up my Instagram, which is aarontrading.fx. I'll leave a link in the description, it'll be right there as well. So make sure to just drop me a follow. I will be showing you guys how I make these sorts of money, £20 in one day. I will keep doing different days. So this is going to be the first day, and the second day I'll catch up with you again to see how much profit I've made. So as you can see, the current running profit is £19, and that's my balance, nearly £3,000. So I have bought another one right here as well. So £18 in running profit. Let's get day two. So guys, as you can see there, we have day two. We are currently £35 and 20p in profit, and it's literally only 5 to 9. So if you're not getting involved, you're really missing out. If you want to get involved, go to my Instagram, aarontrades.fx, will be a link down below. And yeah, already we've made £35 and it's only 9 o'clock. So guys, as you can see now, it is day 3, and as you can see now, if it'll focus, we are £42.40 in profit. It did hit stop loss, so I'm only trading with small lot size at the moment because I just really want to build up my account. So yeah, day 3, I think we've gone in profit every single day, so yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. We'll catch up with you guys when it's on day 4. So guys, as you can see now, it's day 5 and already it's 12 o'clock. We've already gained £25. So if you guys are waiting to get involved, don't forget to go to my Instagram and just drop me a DM, drop me a follow, and I'll be So guys, that is the end of the video now. I do offer a 30-day free trial to the first 10 people that sign up with me. Just DM my Instagram, which is a link in the description, aarontrades.fx, to get the 30-day free trial and make money off your phone. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, hopefully.